The Dubai government recently made a lot of changes to their visas available. As I made a video on the golden visa and the new green visa, they've also made a big mistake. They lowered the initial allowed years on the Freezone company visa from 3 years down to 2 years. So whenever you open a Freezone company that is going to be free of tax, free of regulation, you don't really need to do any financial audits or anything that you need to do in other governments like the US, Australia, Canada. In Dubai, you're going to be much more free, but you're going to have a 2-year Emirates ID and visa initially instead of 3 years like everybody else used to have. This obviously made a lot of people angry, a lot of people sad. It caught us and everybody else by surprise. But the great thing about this 2-year visa and ID is that you can extend it or increase it or upgrade it to other types of visas. In the last video, I mentioned the green visa, which is a 5-year visa and Emirates ID for company owners in Dubai and residents that make over $4,000 a month in salary. I forgot to mention that in Dubai, your salary is all a formality. You can put whatever salary you want because it's your own company, so you determine your own salary and you pay it out to yourself. That means that if you're a Freezone company owner with $4,000 a month in salary, which we always recommend our clients to put $4,000, $5,000 or more per month in salary when they do the employment contract for the visa and the Freezone, then you can qualify for the green visa, and from 2 years you can upgrade it to 5 years. If you don't want to upgrade it to 5 years, then you can always change it every 2 years. And with the new changes, if you want to go through us at Wealthy Expat, we can also get you the visa so that you only need to visit Dubai once a year. So if you want to keep it as a backup plan or you want to have it as a residence permit and you're not yet sure of moving to Dubai, you just want to have Dubai as your default tax residence place, then you can visit one time every year for 2 years. And at the 2-year mark, you can extend it again for 2 years, or you can then upgrade it 3 more years. Or you could buy property in Dubai and extend it to the 10-year golden visa if you want by investing $545,000 into real estate. A lot of people have asked themselves why Dubai lowered the amount from 3 years down to 2 years. It doesn't really make any sense. The reason is because mainland companies, if you want to start a mainland company in Dubai, that does need to have financial reports, does need to pay taxes starting in 2023, 9% income tax, as well as a 5% VAT, that one you still keep the 3-year visa. The Freezone was lowered to 2, the mainland was maintained at 3. What the Dubai government wants to do is incentivize more people to open mainland companies so that they also pay that 9% tax, and overall establishes the idea of Dubai and the UAE not being a tax-free country. If they maintain both visas the same, then obviously people are going to choose the Freezone company. But now they're making it easier for you to choose the mainland company, even though you will need to pay taxes later on. So if you really want that initial 3-year visa and you might sell services inside of Dubai and the UAE, then obviously mainland makes a lot more sense to you. You can also get the company started faster, but you will need to pay those taxes. You're going to need to do a lot of audits, reporting, and so on. So if you're selling outside of Dubai and the UAE, which most of our clients do, keep the Freezone company, get your 2-year visa, and then upgrade it. I was just editing the video and I forgot to mention that for the green visa, in order to upgrade it or to get it, you need at least a bachelor's degree or a diploma of some country around the world. What I'm looking is for options on if you don't have that diploma, if you don't have that degree. Maybe we will need to increase the salary or the amount of money that the company makes or the amount of money that you put in the bank account. As soon as I have more information, we're calling the government. Most people in the government truly don't know the true requirements. It's mainly on the website or at a higher level. We're trying to see how we can get that exception so that everybody can apply for that visa. I will update you on the next video. And really quick, to give a shout out to our happy client of the week, Martin here, who did the process very smooth and professionally, how it should be done here at Wealthy Expat. Our team is small, but we do it in the right time frame, as fast as humanly possible, with the premium treatment so that you can truly have the best experience in Dubai and the UAE. These new changes in the visas teach us a lesson. Whenever you're searching for Dubai company options, residence, ID, always choose professionals, because non-professional companies that just want to do it as cheap as possible, outsource talent from third world countries, they won't know about the salary requirements for the green visa. So they'll tell you, oh, you don't need to put a salary, just put 5,000 dirham per month, when instead you should put 15,000, 4,000 US dollars a month so that you can then qualify for those extra visas. You won't have issues opening bank accounts like most people have in Dubai. Most people, it's impossible for them to open a bank account when in reality it should take 1 day. Our clients open a bank account in 1 day because we give them the proper employment contracts, the proper salary, and the proper process. So always choose professionals, because Dubai tends to change the rules every couple of years. They tend to make it harder for people that are not bringing money into the country. They want people with the golden visa, they want people with these long-term permits, but they want people that have money, that are bringing value and wealth into the country. If you want to know more about the recent changes in the visas, the extensions, the golden visa new rules, check out this video right here on the new golden visa, the new 10-year Dubai visa, as well as the green visa and other visas and IDs that you really want to find out about. Check it out right now.